Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in the 2017 Honda Odyssey EXL. A very popular and reliable minivan that many families across the United States use. It has a 3.5 liter V6 with 248 horsepower. Let's do that. Turn off the AC a little bit. You have the 2-screen setup that a lot of Honda and Acura products have had from this time period. You have Bluetooth. You have the top screen you have to control using this rotary dial. The bottom screen is for your audio and stuff. It's just touchscreen for your audio. Leather wrapped steering wheel. You have the blind spot camera on the right side, which I've always liked. It's really useful. Put the car in reverse, and there's your backup camera. You have captain's chairs in the center, and you can use this as an armrest, remove the middle seat, or keep it up as a seat if you want to do that. Well, let's walk around this Odyssey. You have power sliding doors, of course. Pretty comfortable, lots of leg room. You have the entertainment system. Actually, I think this is an aftermarket one, but nonetheless, you can get an entertainment system from Honda if you wanted to back then. You can adjust AC controls up there. There's your third row. When it's folded down, a lot of versatility. You can fit a lot of stuff in a Honda Odyssey. It's very practical, of course, being a big minivan. Yep, so there's your third row folded down. Very spacious back there. And even the third row is pretty spacious when the seats are up. This is black Odyssey. This generation of the Odyssey has like a very round shape. I'm not the biggest fan, personally. I think when they redesigned the Odyssey in 2018, that looked a lot better because it was more boxier. But yeah, it is what it is. You have a cool box down here. You can fit like drinks and stuff there. Press cool box, it'll cool it. USB ports, aux cable down there. Extra cup holder and storage space. Alright, here's your key. Yeah, the EXL gives you leather seats, which is nice. Man, these are very reliable cars. Like, if you want a reliable family car that you can transport a lot of people in, a lot of stuff in, Odyssey, you can never go wrong. And what I love about these is the engine. Sounds amazing. I love the 3.5 liter V6 from Honda and Acura, always have. Yeah, nice smooth acceleration. And the thing about the Odyssey is that even though it's a minivan, it's not like a really, it's not like a insanely slow or like horrible to drive minivan where it has nothing. Because this has like some minivans have a 4-cylinder, which are horrible, but this has a nice V6. It's quite, it's like for a minivan, it's enjoyable to drive. Because the engine sounds good, acceleration's not bad, handling's not bad at all. Like the steering has some weight to it, which I like. It's not like super soft and unresponsive. Yeah, the blind spot camera is so useful. Yeah, I mean, the van feels pretty stable even around corners, which is nice. This is one of the more enjoyable minivans in the automotive industry to drive. Like the new outgoing Odyssey, you do have an Odyssey Sport, which is like blacked out trim and all that. I think that's cool. Like the Odyssey Elite is a really awesome minivan. Like even right from this generation, you get all kinds of cool stuff, like a vacuum cleaner and things like that. Yeah, it's the ultimate family hauler. Can't beat the Odyssey, man. And I like yeah, like I would pick this over a Sienna just because I'm a huge Honda guy, an Acura guy. I love Hondas. They're awesome. Like, look how good that engine sounds. So yeah, the ride height's nice. You have a good view of the road. The seats are pretty comfortable because they're leather. You even have lumbar adjustment, so you can give better support for your lateral support and better support for your back. And you have armrests, which are nice too. I like that. Yeah, this is a great family car, and if you have if you're looking for if you have a tight budget and would like a minivan for your family, getting a Odyssey from this time period, I mean from this model year and stuff, you can't go wrong with it. And this is a great car, amazing for utility. It won't let you down, and Hondas have nice safety ratings. Yeah, the Odyssey is an awesome car. I think it's one of the best family vehicles in the automotive industry. And you also have a sunroof. You can tilt it or just pull it all the way back, as you see there. For your steering wheel, you can, it's not powered, but there's like a little lever down there, and you can tilt and telescope it. You can open your doors from the front. You also have a lane departure warning feature. You can turn off your traction control there. I'm not sure why you'd want to do that in an Odyssey. You can scroll through the top screen using this little button on this behind your steering wheel. You can open the trunk from there. Extra storage space, coins, I guess, maybe. The front two windows are automatic. The rear ones are not. It's cool how there are sunshades for the rear passengers. That's pretty cool. Yeah, anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching this quick driving video of the 2017 Honda Odyssey EXL. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos on family cars and minivans and such. Thanks again. I'll catch you on the next video.